everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'll show how to make toilet cleaning tablets. It just requires 3 ingredients and they are ready to use. So let's begin. So we'll need baking soda, citric acid, 1 tablespoon of liquid soap, a mixing bowl and an ice tray or a silicone tray. So now in a bowl, let's take 1 cup of baking soda, add around half a cup of citric acid to it. Grind the citric acid in a mixer to get a fine powder form. Mix this well together. Now add 1 tablespoon of liquid soap. Don't add it together, we want the mixture to be little dry. Hence add little, mix it and see if you require to add more. This is how you will check if you need to add more liquid soap or not. So it should bind well in your palm. Now our mixture is ready to fill in the tray. While filling, you will observe that it comes out since it is little fluffy. Press them again to settle down. Now leave this to dry for at least 4 hours. Best is to leave it overnight. These are well dried now, so let's remove them. And they are ready. I'll drop one in a glass of water to show you how it works. So you can see tiny bubbles coming out from here. You can use them in toilets and sinks. It deodorizes the place and keeps it odor free. So I hope you have liked this video. Stay tuned for more such videos. Bye.